Hello everyone, my name is Artyom Boyko. I want to represent you my new course, Big Data and Machine Learning for Beginners, practical step-by-step course. When I got acquainted with the topic Big Data and Machine Learning myself, I often came across problems when installing software and errors while installing various libraries and tools for working with big data. It took me a lot of time to find the right solutions, and I would like to save this time for you. To understand the topic of big data and machine learning, I had to look for a large number of questions for which I did not receive direct answers. In this course, you will find answers to the basic questions related to the topic of big data and machine learning. Also, in this course, we will step by step, using the example of real data, we will go through the main processes related to the topic big data and machine learning. This is a practical course where we will analyze the process of data extraction step by step. In this course, we will go through all the steps, from installing Python to data visualization on the Kaggle platform. Since the material turned out to be voluminous, I divided the course into 3 parts. The first part is devoted to the data extraction. In this course, you will learn how to extract data from PDF documents, whether scanned invoices, receipts, drawings, and any other documents in pictures or PDF format. Almost all documents what private or legal entities use in their work are saved in PDF or JPEG format. We will work on real data. We will have 2 sets of data consisting of PDF files, what we will transform to the text. We will visualize the received data on the Kaggle platform using Python libraries, which will help us to depict our received data in a graphical format. We will write our code in the Microsoft IDE, Microsoft Visual Code. During the training process, we will install Python and such libraries as Pandas, Seaborn, Matplotlib, and others. We will upload the received data to the Kaggle platform. On here, using the Jupyter notebook, we will visualize our data. In the end, we will upload our data to a GitHub platform. This is a practical course. Want to start practicing? You need only the installed Windows system. If you have Linux, this is not a problem, but some installation processes will look slightly different for you. This course is for beginners, so I do not need any special programming knowledge or in-depth theoretical knowledge of Python. My name is Artyom Boyko, and for the last 10 years I have been working in construction industry and implementing Python scripts and processes automation in construction industry. I already have several courses on the Udemy platform. If you work in construction industry, you may be interested in these courses. On the LinkedIn platform, I write various articles about processes automation and simply engineering topics. Please add me to your contacts and leave feedback about the course. I will be glad to meet new people. Welcome again, and let's start our course.